Today I want to talk about commercial roofing leads and how to get them. So I have 10 ways that you can go about doing this. The first one is SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. Basically, the work that you do on your website to make it show up on Google, you can do this specifically for content related around commercial roofing. So you create content and you put information out there on your website and you talk about commercial roofing, and there's a whole lot more that goes into it, but the more content you put on your website that's set up and optimized for Google, the more you're going to show up and the more people are going to find you when they search for that on Google. Next would be property managers. So if you want to get into condo associations or any sort of large commercial buildings, there's going to be property managers that you can build relationships with, start doing repairs, start being consistent, and show them that you're the contractor to call for these types of projects, and eventually they're going to land some big projects on your lap for sure. You can also network with general contractors, and either for new construction or for existing buildings, there might be a general contractor that has a relationship with a chain of restaurants or whatever it might be, and you can build a relationship with them and they can pass on leads to you. You could also do a search on Google and find out where government jobs in your city are being posted and how to bid on government jobs. Facility managers is another one. So there's also associations where facility managers are a part of. You can find local associations, but if you build relationships with those facility managers and you perform repairs for them, eventually when it comes time for a roof replacement, you're going to be the one to call. The next one would be the Blue Book Network, and if you Google Blue Book Network, you're going to find what I'm talking about, but basically it's a way to get involved and have access to larger commercial projects that are being bidded, that people are bidding on in your area. Adwords, so Google ads, PPC ads, that's another way, and you can be very specific for geographical location and demographic and so on. Trade shows would be another one. That's pretty self-explanatory. Just find the industry that you want to be connected with, the types of building owners that you want to be connected with, and go to those. Referrals, I would also say you could go to not only commercial customers and ask for referrals, but you could also ask for referrals from your residential customers. Do they know anybody that owns a building, any business owners, small or large, and build out that way. And lastly, Facebook ads, which is similar to AdWords, where you can be very specific on demographic and location and type of business and so on, and you can advertise that way. Hope this helps. If you have any questions or you want to talk about marketing, leave a comment and I'd be glad to chat.